Hello everyone, and welcome to the Crash Test channel. The 2024 MG ZS Hybrid showcased its safety capabilities in Euro NCAP crash tests with a stable passenger compartment during the frontal offset test. While dummy readings indicated good protection for knees and femurs, MG did not demonstrate consistent protection across different occupant sizes and seating positions, leading to some penalties. In the full-width rigid barrier test, head protection for the rear passenger was rated as marginal, though driver protection across critical areas was strong. Side barrier and pole impact tests earned the ZS Hybrid maximum points, with all critical body regions well protected. However, the car's far side impact performance showed room for improvement, lacking a countermeasure to mitigate occupant-to-occupant injuries. The MG ZS Hybrid performed well in whiplash protection tests for both front and rear seats. It also includes advanced safety features like an e-call system for emergencies and secondary impact prevention. Notably, MG demonstrated that the vehicle's doors can be opened during submersion, ensuring occupant safety in extreme conditions. What crash test should we feature next? Share your suggestions in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up with the future of driving. Until next time, drive safe and dream big.